Hello everyone, today I'm gonna open one of my SEPHORA bags, this one. So, I'm gonna open one time. This is from my SEPHORA haul during the sibling event. So, in here is pencil of George Armani. Wow, it's a big self foundation. This is some forms, and this one from the Kusas. Yeah, this is what I like. And this what I got is the necessary deodorant. Okay, and I have another one here. Oh, the little pencil. What is this? I forgot. Oh, the SEPHORA 12R color pencil for the eye toast. It's like I like can use for the eyeliner. I pick this color because I don't have this kind of colors like blue green. So this is all guys. This is a new discover the deodorant gel. This is it. So I don't know if you guys